باب صوم رمضان احتسابا من الإمام. Chapter. To observe fasting according to Islamic teachings during the month of Ramadan, sincerely and faithfully, hoping for Allah's reward only, is a part of faith. حدثنا ابن سلام قال أخبرنا محمد بن فضيل قال حدثنا يحيى بن سعيد عن أبي سلمة عن أبي هريرة قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: من صام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه. Narrated Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu, Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said, whoever observes fasts during the month of Ramadan out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's rewards, then all his past sins will be forgiven.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat-e-Mustaqim channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.